Hello traders, welcome to yet another video powered by Dhan, India's most advanced trading platform. And you know what happened yesterday, right? Yesterday the US market was up by more than, I think Dow was up by more than 700 points, Nasdaq, S&P, everything was up. The reason was simple because Netflix came out with good result. Netflix alone was up by more than 5.7%, right? Now what we have to do with that? Nothing, right? Do we have our own problems? I don't think so. The way markets are moving, and even if you see on today's price action, we are just moving. Nifty and Bank Nifty is just dancing to global tunes. If Dow future is falling, we are falling. If Dow future is rising, we are rising. That's it. Nothing much is happening. We are just simply following the US futures and US market. This everyone knows, right? Now what is happening here is that these things, when there is a big gap up or gap down nearing expiry, we find it very hard to manage our problems, manage the position, right? Now, end of the day, what happened is, Nifty has gapped up around 250 points and Bank Nifty has gapped up around 300 points, right? And there was one more positive result, which was, I think, that windfall tax by Government of India, both Reliance and ONGC. I think ONGC was up by 3.64% and Reliance was up by more than 2.70%. And in spite of all this positive news, what Nifty couldn't sustain above 16,500 and Bank Nifty was not able to sustain above 36,000, right? The main reason was just because of US market falling and US futures were falling, right? Now that's okay. The main surprise what I have to show you is that FIIs have turned bullish. All this is happening in spite of FIIs buying for around 17,780 crores and DIIs selling for around 230 crores. This is exactly contrary to our expectation. In spite of all this dilemma, all conspiracies and conspiracy about interest rate hike and all these things, we are moving on the upper side, right? Now we really don't know what is going to happen or what is going to be the market trajectory till 27th of July, right? Anyway, we have managed our position till today. Tomorrow we really don't know. I have put a very tight hedge in case the market gaps down. Seeing at this SGX Nifty and this US futures, I was really in a panic in the last half an hour. I was not sure, like I have experience of seeing a big gap up and gap down on expiry day. So I was thinking better to hedge the position very tight. Of course, if the market opens flat, I'm going to loosen that hedges, but it's okay that I'm ready to pay the insurance. Now I have put the hedges. Let us see tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow I think market may open flat or this thing, what is that? Yeah, likely it is likely to open flat only. The way these people are buying, FIIs have bought, I don't think markets may go down. I may go wrong, but looking at this US markets, I think SGX Nifty is down by around 40 or 50 points, and if you see the open interest also, there is 16,500 is having aggressive puts which have been written, and 16,500 short straddle is being written aggressively. So I hope at least market opens above 16,500 tomorrow. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty we can see that around 36,000. Yeah, this is 36,000 put options being written, but at the same time 36,000 is also today 36,000 36,000 put option was written aggressively. But if you see overall data, 36,000 is having the highest open interest among call option. So we'll see, we'll have to wait and see how things pan out tomorrow. Probably I think looking at this FIIs figure and all these things, I'm sure market should open flat only. In case market gaps down, I think the gap which was formed today, that yesterday's low, 16,330 to 16,563, around 250 points gap up, which Nifty did today. I think this gap will sustain at least till tomorrow. So that's what I anticipate. Anyway, fingers crossed. Anything can go wrong, and I can go wrong, right? So far so good. We'll see how things pan out. This is what the thing is, and if you see the sector, this is the Dhan app, and there are actually today we tried some buying in Dhan app, so I lost around 758 rupees in buying options. So buying option is very seriously very dangerous thing, I think, or I don't know how to trade. And today SBI was up by 2.14%, AU, Small Finance, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank was all in the green. ICICI was star performer. ICICI and Index was star performer yesterday. And when you see Nifty, ONGC, Reliance, obviously because of this windfall tax, ONGC and Reliance were top performer today, right? So if you see here, yes, ONGC was up by 3.64%, Reliance was up by 2.7%, Tech Mahindra, everything was up by, most of the petrochemical stocks were up, and all the stocks in this Nifty 50 was in the green. So things are looking firm, and I see that Nifty may open flat tomorrow. Because I think whatever news we are having, it's been factored in, and till US Federal Reserve, next US Federal Reserve meeting comes up, I think markets are likely to be in a range-bound manner only, without any movement. And this gap up, today's gap up caused some issues, but we somehow managed the issue, so not a problem. We'll see how things pan out. That's what I can say. Nothing whatever I am thinking something else, and market is behaving some. Not only me, many people thought that market may go down, but we are going in opposite direction. Not only in India, all over the places, Asian market, Europe, US market, every market is going in opposite direction. That's what many people were telling in the Telegram group also. So that's the thing we will have to see. And I really don't know why these FIIs are buying. Like I told in yesterday's video, they might be into something, or they are having some other plans which we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see whether they are just taking the market to short the market, or what is their plan. We really don't know, right? So that's it, nothing much. Let us see how tomorrow's expiry spans out. I'm sure it must expire. I think it must expire above 16,500. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.